We are going to discuss the part 2 paper through this video. So you can answer the given questions from one by one. I'll display it for you. So the first question, you can pause the video and answer the given questions. First question, use the numbers written on the card below to write the answers to this problem. We are given this cage with 16 squares numbered from 1 to 16. From the numbers contained in the above card, write 4 numbers, each suitable for that number type, on the petals of the flower shown in the figure. This is the flower given to us. So we have to write 4 numbers on each petal. First one, we are given square numbers. So what are the square numbers given in the box here? Square numbers 1, 4, 9 and 16. So I can write them. 1, 4, 9, 16. Then in the second petal, prime numbers. What are the prime numbers here? 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11 and 13. There are 6 prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Writing only 4 prime numbers is enough. Then odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. 4 odd numbers is enough here. I'll write 1, 3, 5, 7. Then even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I'll take 10, 12, 14, 16. Then last one, triangular numbers. This should be corrected as triangular numbers. What are the triangular numbers given here? 1, 3, 6, 10 and 15. 1, 3, 6, 10 and 15. There are 5 triangular numbers. Then second part, mark -2 and +1 on the number line given below. To mark numbers on the number line, we are using a small dot. So I can use a small dot here. Then in +1 also I can use a small dot to denote that. Third part, write down all the positive integers between -3 and +3. What are all the integers between -3 and +3? -2, -1, 0, 1, +1, +2. But they are asking only positive integers. So, +1 and +2. As they are given between, we can't take -3 or +3. Then part 4, apply the most suitable sign from greater than, equal or less than -3 and -5. Here -3 is located here, then -5 is located on the left hand side of -3. So this is the largest one. When we are moving to the right hand side of the number line, the value of the number increases. So minus 3 is the largest one. We can use this sign. Then B part, plus 1 and minus 1. Plus 1 is the largest one here. Then question number 2, you can pause the video and write answers for the question. We'll discuss from one by one. Second question, first part, write two unit fractions whose denominator is a positive integer less than 5. Denominator should be less than 5. So we can write 1 over 2. As it is a unit fraction, the numerator should always equal to 1. Then I can take 1 over 3, then 1 over 4. Only 2 fractions out of these 3 fractions. Then part 2, write the appropriate value in the blank. 3 over 5 multiplied by a certain number. The answer gets 15 as the denominator. So to obtain 15, we have to multiply this denominator by 3. So this should be 3. Then the numerator also should be multiplied by 3. Then what will be the answer? 3 into 3 is 9. 9 over 15. Then part 3, we are given to simplify. A part, 1 over 7 plus 3 over 7. The denominators are equal here. So we can add the two numerators directly. The denominator is the same. So we can add the two numerators. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. 4 over 7 is the answer here. Then part B, 5 over 6 plus 1 over 18. Now the denominators are unequal. So we have to equal the denominators. For that, we have to take the common denominator. What is the common denominator of 6 and 18? If you take 18, 18 is divisible by 6 also. So we can take 18 as the common denominator. The first fraction should be multiplied by 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 5 is 15. The second one remains unchanged as the denominator of the second fraction also is 18. So it is 1 here. The numerator does not change. So what is the answer now? 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 over 18. We can simplify this by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Last answer is 8 over 9. Fourth part, there are 5 red balls and 7 blue balls in a box. All balls are equal in size. A part, write the number of red balls in the box as a fraction of the total number of balls. There are 5 red balls. Then what is the total number of balls? How many total balls are there? 7 plus 5 is 12. So this is the fraction. Then B part, write an equivalent fraction of denominator 36 for it. To obtain denominator as 36, we have to multiply this fraction by 3. 12 times 3 is 36. Then the numerator also should be multiplied by 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So 15 over 36 is an equivalent fraction for 5 over 12. Then third question, you can answer it. Third question, A part. You can answer it by pausing the video. We are asking to name the angles. What are the angles given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. That is less than a right angle. So that is an acute angle. 1 is an acute angle. Number 2. That is a right angle. We can identify it by denoting it using the square. Then number 3. That is a reflex angle greater than 2 right angles. Number 4. That is greater than 1 right angle and less than 2 right angles. So, an obtuse angle. Then number 5 also is an obtuse angle. Number 6, a straight angle. You can answer the B part of the third question. Here we are given the B part. Find the perimeter of the following figure. How to find the perimeter? We have to take the sum of the surrounding lengths. For that, I can add the 3 lengths. 3 decimal numbers, 4.3, then 5.3, 5.4 and then 3.1. When adding decimal numbers, we have to write the decimal places, one below the other. Ones places one below the other, then the first decimal places one below the other. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Then we have to keep the decimal point. What is the addition now? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 8, the unit is centimeters. Then in second part, write the answer in millimeters. How to convert this to millimeters? 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. So to convert this amount to millimeters, we have to multiply this by 10. It becomes 128 millimeters. Then you can answer fourth question, that is regarding the directions lesson. You can answer them by pausing the video. Fourth question, A part. The pet of Dilith, who is studying in the 6th grade of Amarapura College, has gone missing from home. Due to a little bit of ink on the animal's feet, the path it took was recorded as follows. This is the diagram given for us. First question. In which direction did the pet initially travel after leaving Dilith's house? This is the direction he travels. A to B. To east direction. So as the first answer here, we have to write east direction. Then number 2. In which direction has it turned from junction B? From B to C. Northeast direction. For the second one, answer is northeast. Then third one. What is the direction traveled from junction D to E? Junction D to E. D to E means this direction. That is southeast. Southeast. Then number 4. After reaching the junction G, in which direction should he travel to reach D instead of going in the direction shown in the figure? From G to D. That must be north-east direction. So the answer is northeast direction. Number 5. At the end, in which direction is the pet of Dilit's house? Here, pet is in this position now. So, from Dilit's house, it is the south direction. South direction. Then B part. First part. Fill in the blanks below to find the factors of 18. 18 can be written as a product as B part. Fill in the blanks below to find the factors of 18. We are given 18. 1 into 18. We have to write 18 as a product of two numbers. So we can write 2 into 9. 2 times 9. Then 3 times 6. Then what are the factors of 18 by using these products? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. I can write here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Then fifth question. You can pause the video and answer the given questions, which displayed in the screen. This is the sixth question. There are two parts A and B. So you can answer both the parts by pausing the video. Question number 5. A part. Identify the simple rectilinear plane figures seen in the figure below and write down the number related to each plane figures in that plane figure. The first example is completed for you. We are asking square. They have marked the square. Then number 2, trapezium. This figure is a trapezium. So I can write 2 here. Then parallelogram. This one is a parallelogram. I can write 3. Then a triangle. This is a triangle. Then number 5, rhombus. Here this is a rhombus. In a rhombus, all the sides are equal in length. So I can write here. Then number 6, a rectangle. This total figure is a rectangle. Number 6. Then B part. Find the value. Number 1. Addition of two decimal numbers. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now we have to keep the decimal point. 0 plus 0 is also 0. The answer is 0.8. Then second one, we have to start from the second decimal place. 7 plus 1 is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. We have to keep 1 here and take 1 to the first decimal place. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. Then keep 10 here. Then we have to keep the decimal point here. Then 1 goes to the next side. 2 plus 0 is 3. The final answer is 3.01. Then third one. A subtraction. 2.8 minus 1.5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer is 1.3. Then here this one. Better to write the decimal numbers one below the other. I'll write 13.5 minus 8.03. I can put a 0 here. Subtraction. 0 minus 3. We can't subtract 3 from 0, so we have to take 1 from the other side. It becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Then here the remaining is 4. Now we have to put the decimal point. 13 minus 8 is 5. 5.47 is the answer. Now you can answer the sixth question by pausing the video. There are some other questions regarding question number 6. So you can answer them also. These are the questions. Question number 6. We are going to discuss the answers. The following is a description of the quantities of milk collected from cows named Ratti, Handaya, Suddhi, Punchi and Lena in a certain farm. We are given the quantities of each cow here in the table. First one, what is the name of the cow which has given the highest amount of milk? We can see it by using the information given in the table. So this is the largest amount, 2 liters 730 milliliters. That is belong to Punchi. So you have to write the name here, Punchi. Then question part 2 here, second question. How many milliliters of milk has given by Handaya? Handaya has given 1 liter 200 milliliters. 1 liter 250 milliliters. Then third question we are asking, what is the difference between the quantities of milk given by Punchi and Lena? Punchi has given 2 liters 730 milliliters. 2 liters 730 milliliters. So we have to subtract the amount given by Lena from this one. Lena has given 1 liter 950 milliliters. You have to write these amounts one below the other and do the subtraction. I will give you the answer. The last answer here is 780 milliliters. Question number 4. Write the total amounts of milk obtained from all the animals in liters. For that you have to get the sum of the amounts given by all the cows. 700 milliliters plus then 1 liter 250 milliliters plus 420 milliliters plus 2 liter 730 milliliters here plus last one 1 liter 950 milliliters. So the addition of all the amounts is 7 liter 50 milliliters. Then B part, we are given to match. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Sorry, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. This belongs to 60 minutes. Then 27 hours. 27 hours means 24 hours is equal to 1 day. So 1 day, 3 hours is remaining. So this is the matching. Then 100 seconds. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Then there are 40 remaining seconds here. So that is equal to 1 minute 40 seconds. Then 90 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. That is a remaining of 30 minutes. So these two are equal. Now you can answer question number 7. I have displayed it. You have to answer by pausing the video. There are two parts in question number 7, naming A and B. In A part there are 3 questions and B part 2 questions. Now let's discuss the answers. Question number 7, A part. Below is a net set up to make a solid. This is the net given for us. First one, write the name of the solids that can be made using the above net, name of the solid. What is the name of the solid? We can prepare regular tetrahedron by using this net. Then second one, write the number of faces, vertices and edges of it separately. How many faces are there in this net, in this solid? Faces. There are 4 faces. Then vertices. Now you have to imagine the solid in your mind. Vertices, it has 4 vertices. Then edges. You have 6 edges. Then question number 3. What is the number of faces of the new solid that can be made by sticking 2 such solids together? If you paste 2 equal regular tetrahedrons, one face of each solid disappears. So it has 6 faces. The new solid has only 6 faces. Then part B, write the answer on the dotted lines when the following numbers are rounded off to the nearest 10. If you round off 34, here 4, we have to look at the last digit by rounding off to 10. Here the last digit is 4, that is less than 5. So we are rounding off this to the nearest lower multiple of 34. So that is 30. Then this one, 58. 8 is greater than 5. So we can round off this to 60. Last one, 65. Last digit is 5. So we have to round off this to 70. Can you remember the theory? How rounding off this one? This when we are given a number, we have to look at the last digit of the number. If it is 5 or greater than 5, then we are rounding off it to the nearest higher multiple of that number. Then if the last digit is less than 5, we are rounding off it to the nearest lower multiple of that given number. Question number 2. A number rounded off to the nearest 10 is 90. Write the smallest and the largest possible value for that number. It is rounded off to 90. So the smallest value should be, not can be. Smallest value should be 85. Then the largest value of the given number should be 94. If it is 94 only, it is rounded off to 90. If it becomes 95, it is rounded off to 100. So these are the smallest and the largest values of the given number.